Asterisk hey everyone, welcome back to Zera's Car Info, your favorite pit stop for everything rugged, refined, and ridiculously cool on for wheels. Today, we're jumping into the heart of Toyota's legendary off-road prowess with the all-new 2026 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro, a mid-size pickup that's not just been updated, but fully transformed for the future. Whether you're craving dirt trails, mountain passes, or city streets with beast mode attitude, this machine is built to conquer it all. And trust me, Toyota has pulled out every stop to make sure this Tacoma isn't just a truck. It's a statement. Asterisk starting with the exterior. The 2026 Tacoma TRD Pro doesn't just look aggressive. It is aggressive. Toyota has completely redesigned this pickup from the ground up. Built on the new TNGAF platform that also underpins the new Tundra and Land Cruiser. The truck has a wider stance, boxier profile, and commanding presence that screams off-road authority. At the front, a bold blacked-out grille featuring integrated Toyota block lettering sets the tone, flanked by updated matrix LED headlights with aggressive DRL signatures. The hood scoop is functional this time around, improving airflow and engine cooling, and the aluminum skid plate underneath is stamped with the TRD Pro logo, letting everyone know it means business. Asterisk unique to the TRD Pro variant are the color matched fender flares, high clearance front and rear bumpers, and an available new solar octane and underground matte paint finish that turns heads, whether you're climbing rocks or parked at a gas station. There's also a revised tailgate with Tacoma stamped boldly across it, and an integrated tailgate damper for easy lowering. Don't miss the high-clearance exhaust. And black TRD alloy wheels wrapped in 33-inch Goodyear Territory RT tires. A serious setup for rock crawling and trail domination. Asterisk step inside the 2026 Tacoma TRD Pro, and things get just as exciting. Toyota's made the interior far more premium, yet extremely functional. This isn't your typical utilitarian truck cab. It's a tech-packed, ruggedly luxurious cockpit designed to keep you comfortable and in control. No matter how wild the trail gets, the first thing you'll notice is the all-new 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system that runs Toyota's latest UI. It's fast, intuitive, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto right out of the box. A fully digital 12.3-inch driver display gives you all your off-road data, speed, pitch and roll angles, terrain modes, and more. Asterisk seats in the TRD Pro are exclusive IsoDynamic performance seats, an innovation you didn't know you needed until you try them. These seats include shock absorbers inside the backrest and base that reduce fatigue when you're bouncing around on uneven trails. They're wrapped in TRD-specific Softex with red contrast stitching and have TRD Pro embossed in the headrests. And yes, they're heated and ventilated for those hot summer days and chilly desert mornings. Asterisk everywhere you look inside the cabin, you'll see durability and detail. Rubberized switch gear, red anodized accents, aluminum pedals, and a TRD Pro gear shifter make it feel like a purpose-built machine. You get premium JBL audio with an integrated subwoofer, wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, a 120 volts outlet in the rear cabin, and another one in the bed. And speaking of beds, this Tacoma still comes with Toyota's signature composite. Bed with built-in storage bins and a power outlet. It's ready for tools, gear, and weekend adventures. Asterisk under the hood. Toyota is bringing the muscle. The 2026 Tacoma TRD Pro is powered by the all-new iForce Max hybrid powertrain. A 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor, producing a combined 326 horsepower and 465 pounds-ft of torque. That's not just impressive, that's class-leading. This hybrid setup is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and a part-time 4WD system with an electronic 2-speed transfer case, locking rear differential and front skid plates. Asterisk performance on and off-road is nothing short of exceptional. With the new multi-link rear suspension replacing the older leaf spring setup, the ride is smoother, more composed, and handles bumps with far more precision. The TRD Pro trim features Fox QS3 internal bypass shocks with remote reservoirs and a TRD-tuned suspension setup that's been calibrated for the roughest conditions. Ground clearance is impressive, sitting over 11 inches, and the approach, departure, and breakover angles are engineered for serious off-roading. Asterisk, there's also a new crawl control system that works like off-road cruise control, letting you focus on steering while the truck automatically handles throttle and braking over challenging terrain. Add in multi-terrain select with modes like mud, sand, rock, and snow. And this Tacoma becomes a genuine mountain goat in a truck's clothing. You even get a 360-degree camera system with underbody views, so no rock or log will catch you off guard. Asterisk on. The road, despite its off-road chops, the TRD Pro drives surprisingly refined. Toyota has focused heavily on reducing road noise and improving cabin comfort. The steering feels more responsive. The hybrid system delivers smooth torque without lag, and highway cruising is more confident than ever. Fuel economy is expected to be solid for a truck of this size and power, thanks to the hybrid setup, though official EPA numbers are still awaited. Early estimates suggest it could be around 24 to 26